The year is 1944. Europe is facing the hardship of the Second World War. Most Icelandic people are unaffected by the war, and it feels like faraway terror. Icelanders were, however, preoccupied with preparing independence from Denmark. Authorities in Iceland decided to hold a song contest because of the establishment of the Icelandic Republic in 1944. The winner of the contest was a woman and a poet called Hulda, who wrote about the beauty of Iceland and underlined the fact that Iceland was safe and far away from the terrible war in Europe. With peaceful farms, light and poetry, so far from the world's barbarity, Lord, preserve our dearest land from worldly conflict's heavy hand.
Hjördís Pétursdóttir was born in 1919, and she started young to write songs. She wrote 20 songs, and 5 of them were released on records. And we are going to sing 2 of them today. The first one is called Eldur í öskunni leynist. It means fire in the ashes, hidden in the ashes. And it's a very short and dramatic song. And then we are going to sing another song called Í Reykjavík. And it's about how wonderful it is to live in Reykjavík.
Lyfti ég bleikur og bergið great, as you can see. This is the last song on our program, Chapel of Love, and it's also the